Let's get to our Smart Money segment with our Fox 40 financial analyst, Keith Springer, who's standing by, ready to tell us what the markets are doing. Good morning, Keith. How are you?
Good morning. Doing great. How you doing there, Paul?
Hang on. Go Wildcats. What am I seeing on this shirt? You've got a kid going there, don't you?
U of A!
Go Wildcats. I do. I have a son. It's family weekend, parents weekend at University of Arizona. I promised him I'd wear the shirt at least for the first segment, so I'm a little casual. But go Wildcats. They're gonna beat up on Washington this weekend.
No sweat. You're a good dad. And generally, I expect to see you in a tie and climbing out of a Maserati because you're my financial guy. For now,
that's what I'll be doing next segment. But I made a promise to the kid.
No sweat. Let's talk about earnings reports and what we can expect in the market. I know Google was the big one. It actually came out a little earlier than they planned, didn't it?
Yeah, yesterday was kind of ugly for Google. We expect not a very good day today. We've had a number of disappointments. We had Google come out, missed their number by quite a bit. They were announced early by their printer, R.R. Donnelly. It wasn't supposed to be announced at the end of the day. Came out around 10 in the morning. Not good because they got hammered. They were down about 60, 70 points. Microsoft disappointed on the aftermarket. We did have decent numbers from GE this morning, but they just meet expectations. They didn't beat it. So it's going to be probably an ugly day on Wall Street today.
And Keith, we now know the most popular car in California, and I'm curious to hear if you were surprised by it.
Well, gas prices are going up. There's two reasons. One, Californians tend to be more Civic-minded, and that's the car that it beat out. The Honda Civic was the #1 car, and now we've got the Prius. But two is gas prices have been going up so much that people, especially in California, remember we pay a higher rate than everybody else in the country because of the taxes and because of the blend. So people are, starting to pinch their pocketbooks. So you can see the Prius. They sold over 46,000 versions of the Prius this year.
All right, yeah, we want to buy those, and for some reason we don't want to buy those Chevy Volts. We'll talk about that later. It's a pleasure.
Right, go Wildcats.
Go Wildcats. Nicely done. If you have any questions for our friend Keith Springer, you can send them to money@fox40.com, or you just call him up at 916-925-8900. You also see his website at the bottom of your screen here coming up. It's keithspringer.com.
Well, the Giants are rolled out there.